September 14th, 2016. Guys, everyone in South Carolina, Georgia, North Carolina, pay a close attention to this because this storm is going to create a lot of rain. Now, you've got tropical storm warnings along the beach. You got flash flood warnings. You got small craft advisories, the whole 9 yards. No one should be in a boat in this, and no one should really be on the beach in this, not even on the sand because of the lightning potential. But looking at the infrared images, look at the amount of moisture now that's setting off the South Carolina and North Carolina coast, guys. But here's your local advisories. Tropical storm warning in your dark red. Your flash flood in the green. You've got hurricane local statements listed all over the area. Small craft advisory and hazardous weather outlooks. Just about the whole gamut there. And as it heats up through the day, to pay attention and see if any tornado warnings pop up. Go to the National Weather Service, and it will give you these warnings. But if you look at radar, the center of circulation is just south of the South Carolina border, maybe a little bit offshore, but the clouds will deceive you. But one thing about this radar imaging under the clouds, guys, is showing the amount of moisture, again, going South Carolina, North Carolina. The spaghetti models have changed somewhat from last night. Now, quickly over into the Gulf. We were watching another system that came in under the tip of Miami, and it's sitting there under that group of clouds, guys. You'll just have to back that up and check it out. But it's sitting off the coast of Louisiana and Florida, just sitting there spinning. I think it's going to bring us some pretty good rain to that area. But the disturbance off Africa, guys, is 70% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours. It could become a tropical depression today. Now, on the 5-day forecast, you can see it's still moving forward, and another storm coming off the coast of Africa right behind it has a 40% chance of formation in 5 days. But it's got that northern track, more like Ian. This one, disturbance 1 at 70% chance, guys, has more of a westerly flow. We just have to watch that one. Now, notice that last night the spaghetti models were showing it looping out and coming back over the peninsula of Florida into the Gulf. They're showing more of a northerly loop. You've got one that goes inland. That would be probably, for the mountains, would be a lot of rain, but it would be the best case scenario to pull it out of that Gulf Stream that is pumping all that moisture. Now, 95L, the large storm off of Africa, here are your spaghetti models. Notice everything continues west except the Canadian model, and it turned and went straight up. These are the enhanced satellite images, and you can see the rotation very clearly in the largest storm. It's in the top right section right here. You can see good rotation, 70% chance of development, so that must mean that they are watching the drier air getting pushed back, and the wind shear. Foley Beach, South Carolina webcams. You can see that the surf is up. Don't go in the water, and if you've got those rain bands coming in, it's the heat of the day comes up. You're going to possibly see water spouts. I saw many trying to form in Florida a couple weeks ago when we were covering Hermine, and lightning on the beach. These storms are highly energized, and that lightning this year has proven deadly for boaters and beachers, guys. But we're watching it. All these links are on the website. It's a heads up. Be safe.